In today's video, I'm going to show you a very good sample of what a sport is. If you haven't seen my other videos, a sport is when we plant a leaf from a plant, an African violet plant, and it produces babies, and the babies grow up and they do not bloom like the mother plant. And here is a very, very good sample. This one is called Eli Vesnianka, and they come from the same leaf. So what happened some time ago, I planted a leaf of this variety. Little babies came out. I got at least two. One of them bloomed red and one of them bloomed pink. This one is actually pink, but it has a darker center. It is the first bloom on this one, so I'm not sure. The following blooms may be the same as this one, or maybe a little bit different. I'm not sure yet. It will have to grow out, but I still wanted to show you. I don't think that this one will become red like this one. That's like too far apart. But I do feel that the center may get a lot darker on the following bloomings. I'm not sure yet either. Only time will tell. So this one does have a few more flowers showing. And that is a very good sample of what a sport looks like. So this one has 3 flowers and they are all red. This one, well, I had another one, but I guess I took it off. So sporting is a random thing. It doesn't happen all that often, but when we are playing with the Russian plants, it is more common. But as I said before, these are more common, but I've never had a little Russian sport that I did not like. They're all very, very beautiful. Hope you enjoyed seeing this little sample and have a wonderful day. Bye!